to me there saying can me na me 24 can make catch as papa a woman say well loose a woman say close but let the man take charge because you come back and no crowd better we need sympathy from people.
Okay.
So I will na ulusua na say lusu microphone sympathy na
ese bibia
the outcome no ebeye din say the outcome no ebeye din say Muhammad bitimi e win this case.
Papa, maybe major happenings. Ghana court case to see any petition Mahama they call a court. Usha na ehun nia say Mahama or the petition court cry say one ko kan as abetu.
You see, Benye say two for no one tia okwantia. Most of the people around former President Mahama omo ye heja. Hey, yanko. No. We need leaders must have right people. At least one or two right people of it as a papa we there. Menye this will be the outcome. So, but most of them microphone and rantianwa omo twa papa no ho hia no. Hey, chobo samana what do you? Enti professor ni buy no so tie me professor ni dia they can plain say Mahama is not going to win this election. He's not going to win this election. It's MPP who's going to win this election. But so jitum na oman ho kwan he can come for the third time and win the election massively. That is what the law said. Okay. Say oman ho kwan na so when we near onion too na on prepare because nyoma na ekọ nyina no e sign na Nyankopon dey share NDC for say they are coming back to power but not now. Until na ma bibi aye close 2016 election no that vote the difference near 1 million vote over 1 million but over parliament is here is almost both of them are a majority. The difference is the presidential. Yeah. So you shouldn't get up and take it to court and waste your money and waste your time, waste the judge's time and everything.
So is it too late for him to come back? Now that's 1 year.
No, it's late.
He can't come back.
Come back where?
But Usha, the level of evidence on here to prove. No only secretary, general secretary, John Nketia. Edi voting no na Usha say na your man kwa. Your papa, your former president. Or you no who ana.
Me ni fie. Na mo so onu no ana onu no. But you see, we are not lawyers. We are not judges. But in common knowledge, obi o tie kira o hwe TV no kura timi hu. Ema the judgment. Ehu ni ade no say na eko. So, enema bi o wa Sanya ka papa former president Soko Chia President Kufuor and man nye enche say oni mu nyansa na ebi respect and sometimes no wo ginu ma bi to montamu a ebua ma to be prepare ahead of time so enti no to me there saying can me na me 24 ka me ka chese papa wo mu say well loose whom say close but let the man take charge because you come back and no crowd better we need sympathy from people.
Okay.
So I will try na ulusua na say lusu microphone sympathy na
ese bibia na apa esi edum ketia a oyi ni hu si wo say wo kwa correctness na ni kwan so ano no
betimi aye ne kwan so ano so a witness but the evidence now we be prove no ama o case aye case no say we shada kamo a yɛ toto na no ba sɛ de yɛsi toto na no fa no ne sɛ de nneɛma
na papa na ɛkɔsɛn wa wo hwɛ a wo ne sɛn
ya me hwɛ a sɛ nneɛma ka ho asɛm dada the outcome no ɛbɛyɛ den sɛ the outcome no ɛbɛyɛ den sɛ Muhammad betumi winning this case.
Daddy, based on your prophecy, okay, said, only now, only okay, said now a year cruise, which means the hope won't prepare no.
Then I may prepare no, almost sign.
Yeah, but see, I know I asked what they instead of so, but you did, and I may yaman at 2 now, chance and what to prepare no.
Yes,
we say, oh, fight is there, also fight on your own way. We won't Germany, we fight on your own way. That is the court. Everyone a chance, I must have a 2024.
I know there are just some pieball.
Wow.
Any akwanche ne akwanche bi bam. Because sunsumo no utumi konya me no reverse no bi.
Okay.
Nyame yo mogrohufo or your domfo say ye kai mfumso ne ye bone eche no a. Or the bone eche ye efsa ti ye ho firi no ma e ho nte o.
Okay.
So nti senka otie and onya right people are. And I advise to all of us, sometimes we need to have a leader must have the right people around who can tell you the truth. And then perform besu so degum. Hey, we be no. Na wo monim ya kugu ase. Enti me case ni nyina no. Me hwe na me hu se de ekọ no. Me hu se anya de a. NDC for no be nyan kunudie above MPP for.
My last question. Can a pastor be a president in Ghana?
Not now.
Wow.
But the time is coming.
Oh, okay.
A time will come, a Muslim can be a president, and a Christian or a pastor can also be a Christian. The moment that moment comes, a seasons and times, and a realms. So, realms, any opportunity in the bar. Not be a Muslim, any chance, ever a president. Then the realms is open. A Christian or a man of God with good vision, good idea. A man of God that God has anointed. And I want to mean sorry, I just saw these two political parties. Yes. You can't just get up. Ghana, I want to mean sorry, I say, we are a man of God, I'm a president. Say a boom. He came far.
Yeah.
He did well. But he was a third.
Well, we know only 1%.
Yes. Because Ghana has become two-party state. And to also for now person obey president, you must go through either NDC or MPP and pay your due and pay your allegiance.
Wow.
And you see, the fact that so your pastor no, doesn't mean say you have to be ignorant. Okay? You need to be a knowledgeable pastor. Our knowledge, our education, our vision, our favor with God and favor with people.
Okay.
So, yes, I'm sorry, I said, we are so for me, but some year president, and then I made the result play out. No, to be a president is a very, and I won't miss country, you can't run it.
Wow. Oh, but for such a film, it's cannot
go. What people will be the what people will be the Ghana, I saw full miss country. Okay. Don't deceive yourself. Ghana, Krumwa, we hear what hapapa. We hear what Krumwa hapapa. Me na make a mitro. I saw full nisika. Sadia and Crophobia attack us all.
Okay.
I saw full in nisika. Me say, Mitier, so I am sorry no. Naka se muska ugu mwani mwase because me asori no me ye no me kura na me maybe no transport.
Wow.
Ebi kura da wa obi kura nya stroke. Me na me hwe ni sisi a. Obi efrim me na me ye na me to na daka ye ni bibia. Me a profo bless your mo free abonte me asofo bi papa je. Ebo ano na me de ebo and profo asori.
Wow.
Yes. Enti one way a lot of for a whisker 100 times as a Ghana so for almost before me minimum Nigeria. Majority of them have a private jet.
Wow.
Where the poor has 4 private jets plus 1 helicopter. Now sorry, SCT 200,000. The branch in Kwa Ghana, 144 branches.
Wow.
Okay.
Chris, I saw the friend Chris. I saw Christ Embassy. More branches. Ghana, 155 branches. It is Obia because of the tithe. 2,000 crab banam the acquired quarters. It's gonna be free.
Whoa.
But Chroma, I won't sorry, a lot of one is sorry, no Chroma. A Ghana for non echo. Money trap tight. Ghana needing a sick money, no Ghana near running as or obey dinner.
Tiafo amuni aba Mexico ni ye ni mo bepie mu wo Archbishop Salifo Amoako na so eya ye ni betwetwen nkomo efa eye enyoma bebra ekoso wo Ghana na dodo na ehia adwenkyere na tiefo mesusu se adwenkyere ye course yi onso wafa wudie wo mosin ade wo na afen so nyansan dodo na ewo mu no so wasa afa wudie wo aha ye too much GH ye de ennepa chese ye wonyoma too much edima kwaso nefa weni edi echi update bia nso aye papa yi ebeto yensa afre ye de beba abesom